Improved Routing Protocol for Healthcare Communications, a descriptive study. Wireless Body Area Network (WBAN) technology has greatly expanded the possibility of remote healthcare monitoring systems. The devices used for WBAN have limited energy resources, and it is hard to recharge or replace the batteries in most of them. The WBAN data mostly consists of medical information requiring high reliability, security, and low delay. The routing protocols play a significant role in transmitting the information. The major goal of this research is to discover the best routing protocol for wireless body area networks by evaluating the performance of routing protocols using static IEEE 802.15.4. Investigations into different routing protocols point to cluster structure and ad hoc on-demand vector (AODV) as the most likely candidate. When improvements were made to consider energy and mobility, a 16% improvement in energy usage was discovered, resulting in high residual battery capacity and eliminating the need for recharging the batteries. Advancements in wireless communication, tiny sensors, and low-power electronics have led to the creation of small, wearable health monitoring devices. These devices form a wireless body area network (WBAN), a new technology used to track a person's health in real time. WBANs are especially useful for elderly people and patients with chronic conditions, like heart disease, that require regular monitoring. Instead of visiting a doctor frequently, patients can wear small wireless sensors on or under their skin. These sensors measure important health data such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, and send the information to a central medical server. The medical server stores patients' health records, checks for any serious health problems, and alerts doctors or emergency services if needed. Doctors can also access this data online to check how the patient is doing and adjust treatment if necessary. One of the biggest challenges with WBANs is that they rely on battery-powered sensors, which are difficult to replace if implanted in the body. This makes battery life a major concern. To send data efficiently, WBANs need special communication methods called routing protocols. While similar to those used in mobile networks, WBANs require more energy-efficient solutions due to their limited power supply. Zigbee is one such technology, known for using low power and working well over short distances. It supports two main types of routing, mesh and tree, which help in delivering health data reliably. This research focuses on finding the best routing method for WBANs to ensure safe and energy-efficient health monitoring. Researchers tested different wireless routing methods, ZRP, AODV, DYMO, and OLSR, on a Zigbee network that connects small health monitoring sensors worn on the body. These tests used a setup where the sensors were arranged in a simple star shape and sent regular data using a type of application called CBR. To find the best method, the study compared how quickly and reliably the data was sent, how much delay or jitter occurred, and how much battery power was used. Among all the routing methods, AODV stood out by delivering the most data quickly and with the least delay or jitter, even when the sensors were moving. To improve it further, a new version called EODV was tested. This version selects which sensor should forward data based on how much energy it has and whether it is moving. The improved method used less energy and extended the network's battery life, making it ideal for health monitoring systems. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.